how many?
One.
It's already 5.
It's already 5.
5 bananas. Let's show them.
Then
5.
5 bananas.
We have to mash it. Mami na.
Mama, me.
Yeah, like this.
Okay, me. Wait.
Only grown-ups will do this. Okay? Just wait muna si Mami. Mami muna.
Okay, make it so bad. Mommy's not ready.
Mix.
Mix.
Add some, what's this?
Oil.
Oil. Beautiful. Oil. Mix. Then add what? It's sugar. Okay.
It's sugar.
Then mix again. Tablespoon of
I'll take it up.
baking powder. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Dad. Let's get other than the spoon, right?
Yeah. You need only half spoon of baking powder. Oh, Mommy. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna turn off the electric fan. This way. No. Okay, done. Then mix again.
It's so white, you said.
Okay, just add some cinnamon. Then add some cinnamon powder. Konti lang. Ay! Okay lang. Tansya na lang. Okay.
I wish the onion.
Oh, mix mo na, anak. Just mix it.
Mix ako.
Yeah, mix. I'll help you.
Like that. Okay.
Ah,
Me.
wait
I
lang.
mix
Just
me.
wait.
It's good.
That's good,
Me.
right? Okay. Happy ka?
Yeah, I mixed it.
Are you happy?
Yeah. It's so good.
It looks good. Wow. Hi, Daddy.
I will bake for you.
I'll bake for you.
Don't eat me.
Don't eat me.
Is that good?
Wow.
Eat me. Wow, sweet ka.
Hindi na pala.
Oh, yummy. Okay, let's show them.
Show them.
Let's. Big girl?
Yeah.
Baby girl?
I
You're
want
still a baby for mom. You're
because
forever mommy, baby.
sticky out.
Yes, it's so sticky. Sticky. Now we're done in mixing this banana mixture. Banana cake mixture. You can add chocolate, but it's up to you if you want to add it. But it's okay. It's not.
It's not.
Yeah.
I think it's.
Lalo na kung wala mong budget. Char.
It's not.
Okay.
What happened?
Put it on the pan. Ay, wait lang, anak! Ay, naku eh. No. Nilagyan niya na agad ng balat na. Ang bilis ng kamay. Lagyan muna natin ng oil, anak, para hindi didikit yung mixture.
Oh, good job, Mom.
It looks good, no? Ayan, nilagyan natin. Guys, kabila naman.
When it starts, it's good. Why do you put this?
So sticky.
Yeah, it's so
Sarap niya. Kahit hindi pa siya luto. Okay.
It's not starving. Oh, yeah, Mom. Mom, why the bake is done bake?
Yeah. Good job, Mom.
It's good job.
Good job, Mom.
Are you put
How about Hearty? Good job din ikaw.
good job, Papa?
Now we're...
Put in the oven.
Okay.
Oh, what you doing?
Is I want so yummy, right?
Wala. Wala. Hindi pa yan luto eh. Ayan.
Let's put it in the oven, guys.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mommy na. Mommy na. Mommy na. Wait. Mommy na. Okay. Then the other one. Thank you. Okay.
Go.
Okay. Taste now. Taste it. Wow. Tastes good.
Mom, I would try this.
Okay, we're going to try it now.
Mom, I would try. Can you give me 4?
Okay. Okay. Init lang muna. Mainit. Init.
4.
Mainit yan. Mainit. That's hot. Oh, hot. Diba? Gutom na siya. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
So yummy. Daddy, try mo to, Dad. Dad.
Daddy, Banana cake.
Pancake pa lang tawag mo sa banana cake natin?
Banana cake.
Ah, okay. Thank you guys!
Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.